Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Today we are going to start my heat lesson. It is a new unit. That is the fourth unit of grade 12, the last unit of grade 12. Okay, before we start in heat unit, we can discuss about the structure of the paper. Normally, uh, there will be 6 to 7 MCQs in heat lesson. Okay. If we take heat lesson, normally there will be 6 to 7 MCQs. 6 to 7. Suppose it has say 7. There will be 6 to 7 MCQs in MCQ paper, and in structured paper, there will be one question out of four. Out of four structure questions, there will be a one structure question in heat lesson. Then essay question. That's one essay question in heat lesson. Okay. So if we consider the final marks, if we consider the marks in final paper, if it is 7 MCQ, that means we will have 7 marks for that one. If it is structure, normally structure question, normally we are given 20 marks for the structure question, but it will be divided into 4. Therefore, 5 marks in final paper, there will be 5 marks for a structured question. Then essay question. Normally we are given 30 marks out of 200. So once it converted to 50 out of 50, we have to divide it by 4. Then 7.5 marks for essay question. Therefore, altogether, approximately it's about 19 to 19, 18 to 90, 19.5. So normally, approximately, we will be given 18 to 20 marks for heat question. Okay. If we consider about mechanics, in MCQs, normally there will be 12 to 14 MCQ. 12 to 14 MCQ. So if we consider the average MCQ for mechanics is 13, the final mark we are given 13 marks for the final paper. Then structure. There will be one structure, but it is not only about mechanics. It's about mechanics as well as measuring instrument. Therefore, there will be one structure question in mechanics and the first lesson, unit in dimension. Okay. So it will be 5 marks for the structured one. Essay, there's a one question for essay. That means 7.5 marks. So altogether, approximately 25 marks. 25 marks. If we consider wave, those are the 3 lessons we are going to learning grade 12. In MCQ, there will be 8 to 9 MCQ, 8 to 9 MCQ in waves. 8 to 9. Suppose it has 9. Structure. There's a structure question and essay. That's a essay question. Therefore, in final paper, for MCQ, there will be 9 marks for MCQ. Then for structure, there's a one question that means 5 marks. Essay, there's a one question that means 7.5 marks. 7.5 marks. 12, 20, approximately 21. No, approximately 21. So if suppose it has 19. So if we consider the units that we are going to complete within grade 12, you can clearly see there will be 65 marks. No, 65 marks out of 100. 65 marks. More than 65 marks because that's unit and dimension question. No? Therefore, normally there will be two questions, two MCQ questions in unity dimension. Therefore, altogether, it's about 67 marks. Okay, that means a B pass. No, a B pass. So if you may complete your grade 12 very well, that means definitely you can get a B pass. You can get a B pass. It is very simple because actually you have to learn 3 units. You have to learn 3 units deeply, no? If you learn these 3 units deeply, that means definitely you can get a B pass. But if any student can learn these 3 units deeply, that means he or she will may learn the other units also. Therefore, this is very much critical figure. This is very much critical figure. But I හැමලේම කියන්නේ grade 12 තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ life එකේ critical year. So this is the critical year. So this is the most important year of your life. Okay. ඒක හැමලේම කියන්නේ නිකන්වත් grade 12 එකේ class නම් miss කරගන්න class 2 වෙන්න එපා. මොකද class miss වුණොත් පුතේ බලන්න නැති වෙන්නේ ලොකුම ලොකු කුට්ටියක් නැති වෙන්නේ. So the grade 12 is the most important year of your life. Okay. So don't miss anything in grade 12. And so you can clearly see this figure. No? 65 means a B pass. A B pass. Actually, if you complete these 3 units very well, that means you can get a B pass. Right? තමයි අපේ ස්ට්‍රක්චර් එක මේක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් නිව් සිලබස් එකට ආව ස්ට්‍රක්චර් එක මේක මේ විදිහට තමයි මේක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ ඕනනම් පොරිම වුණොත් ලකුණු 2 3ක් එහා මෙහා වේ. ලකුණු 2 3ක් එහා මෙහා වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ මහා ලොකු දෙයක් නෙවෙයි. හරි. ඒ නිසා මේක මහා ලොකු චේන්ජ් එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ එක්සෑම් එකේදී. හරි. ඒ නිසා MCQ 7 නෙවෙයි ආවේ 8 කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ 8 වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඉතින්. 8 නේද? ඔක 6 වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේ කොහොම පොඩි පොඩි වෙනස්කම් ටිකක් එන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැතුව ස්ට්‍රක්චර් එක මේක ලොකු වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. හරි. ඒක හොඳ පරිදි. Okay. Then heat lesson. Now we can start the unit of heat. Heat means the 4th unit of our syllabus. We can divide this heat unit into several subsections, Muta. Okay. Heat. The first thing is thermometry. Thermometry means it's about thermometers and how to prepare a scale, temperature scale, and how to measure a temperature, and what are the advantage and disadvantage of various thermometers. Uh, so such kind of things we are going to start. We are going to learn such kind of things under this topic, thermometry. So it's about simply it's about thermometers. Okay. Then calorimetry. Calorimetry. Calorimetry means it's about heat. Heat exchange. Heat exchange means you know about MC theta, Q equal MC theta equation, no? I think you know that term. So calorimetry is about heat. Heat. So what is the heat? What's the temperature? How they are exchanged among two objects. That such kind of things we are going to learn such kind of things under this subsection calorimetry. Then expansion. Expansions. Expansions, you know, when we apply heat on an object, there may be an expansion, no? So we are going to learn about that expansions. So this expansion section will be divided into another three subsection. One is expansion of solid, expansion of liquids, expansion of gas, expansion of gases, expansion of gases. So then we will learn about thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Very interesting topic, and this is a very critical topic. So if you want to be a mechanical engineer or some kind of engineering person, this topic is very critical. Thermodynamics. Okay. Then hygrometry. Hygrometry means it's about relative humidity. It's about vapor. Okay. So it is a study about vapors. Vapors means not vapors. Okay. Vapors. Humidity means relative humidity and absolute humidity. It's about properties of vapor. Okay. Then transfer of heat. Transfer of heat. You know there are three types of heat transferring. One is conduction, convection, and radiation. Among these three type of heat transferring methods, we are going to learn conduction and convection. Conduction and convection under the heat topic. We are not going to learn about radiation under heat topic. It is a separate lesson. Radiation, matter and radiation, it is separate lesson. It is the last lesson of physics. So we are going to learn about radiation under matter and radiation part. So those are the subsection we are going to learn in heat lesson. The first thing is thermometry, then calorimetry, expansion, thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is about gases. Okay. Hygrometry, transfer of heat. Okay. Have. मैं यहाँ पे note down कर heat. Heat unit, heat unit can be classified, where can, oh, can be classified under the following subsections. Under the following subsections. Sorry. Heat lesson can be classified under the following subsections. Heat lesson can be classified under the following subsections. Okay. You can note down this thing. Can you read my heat? This is heat. Thermometry. Thermometry. Wait. Thermometry. Calorimetry വേണോനെ. Expansion വേണമാ. Thermodynamics. Hygrometry. Transfer of heat. Conduction and convection. Conduction and convection. Okay. Normally, according to your syllabus, we should start from thermometry, then expansion, and after that, we should go to calorimetry. Okay. But the thing is, we cannot explain anything without knowing heat. No, because the lesson is heat. No, therefore, you have to have very good understanding about what is heat and what is temperature, what are the differences between them. Then only you can go to the other parts. Okay. The other thing is, when we are studying thermometers, when we are studying about thermometers, we should have clear understanding about expansion as well as calorimetry. Otherwise, we cannot understand about the accuracy and uh, uh, the sensitivity of thermometers. Therefore, I think it is better to start from calorimetry. Therefore, I'm teaching this thing little bit different way, but in a logical way. Therefore, you have to understand these things very well. This is the core part of the heat lesson. If you can understand this theory part, then you can apply that theory part into each and every subsection, except hygrometry. Okay, hygrometry. Therefore, this is the core part of the heat lesson. Actually, there's very small theory. There's very small theory. If you can understand that one, and if you can apply that thing into this subsection, then you can easily understand all of them. Okay. like the vector addition theorem, no? In where actually in vectors, there's only one theorem, that is vector addition theorem. All the others are sub or derived laws or theorems of vector principle of vector addition. Oh, likewise, there is only one theory part, or the only one theory part in heat lesson. Wait a minute. Is my video, my sound is lagging? Okay, video is lagging. Oh, wait a minute.